How to hide and unhide purchased apps on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, let's begin with hiding the purchased apps. You only need to hide an app from the App Store on one of your devices and not all of them individually. So simply on iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, then tap on your profile picture from the top right corner. Then tap on the apps, My Apps, and scroll through the list of all the apps you have bought and find the one you want to hide. Then simply swipe left on the app name and tap Hide, and finally tap Done. Now, in order to unhide the purchased apps, all you have to do is simply open the App Store and tap on your profile picture from the top right. Then tap your name and Apple ID card. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or password when asked. Then simply scroll down and tap Hidden Purchases. Now find the hidden app and tap Unhide next to it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.